My dear students, I welcome you to today's lecture and I hope you are well. So we are doing chapter number 3, variations, class 10 science group, and I'm doing the questions which were asked in boards exams as long questions. If you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon button as well, so that you may get the notification of newly uploaded videos in time. So I'm doing question number 7, exercise 3.7 is the last exercise of the chapter. The supporting load C. So the first variable is C. Of a pillar varies as the fourth power as the fourth power of its diameter d. And inversely as its length L. A pillar of diameter 6 inches 6 inches and of length 30 feet will support a load of 63 tons. $63. How high? High 4 inches pillar. 4 inches pillar. Pillar must be support or a load of 28 tons. Right, so solution. Solution. Given that C, which is a load, is directly proportional to the fourth power of D divided by L square. L square, okay. So it means that C equals to D4 divided by L square with the K, and we have the values C equals to 63, D equals to 6, and L equals to 30. Right, just putting the values here, we have C 63 equals to K. D raised to power 4 means 6 raised to power 4 divided by L square means 30 squares. Right. So we have K equals to 63 times 30 square divided by 6 raised to power 4. 4. Okay. Right. So we have 63 times 900 divided by 1296. Okay, simplifying this, we have 175 over 4. This is the value of K. Name it number 1. Now what is the required? So required thing is, okay, so we have to find the value of L. Right, so we have value C is equal to 28 and D equals to 4 inches. Okay, so now we know that C is equal to K times D4 divided by L square. Right, so C equals to 28 equals to K's value is 175 over 4 times D value is 4. 4 raised to power 4 divided by 4 L square. So L square equals to 175 into 4 square, 4 raised to power 4 divided by so it is C over 4L square. So 28 L square equals to, it is 28. 175 into 256 divided by 4 times L square, or L square equals to 28 times 4. L square equals to 175 times 256 divided by 4 times 28, which is equals to 400, and L equals to 400 square root, which is equals to 20. It means equals to 20 feet is the answer. So length is 20 feet. I hope that you have understood this question. And if there are some doubts, you may ask me on the WhatsApp number given on the thumbnail of every video. And if you want to give some suggestions, you may give the suggestion on the same number as WhatsApp message. Now I'm doing question number 8 of 3.7. Right. The question is the time t required for an elevator, the time t required for an elevator elevator to lift a weight varies jointly as W, the lifting depth, as the weight W and the lifting depth and the lifting depth D depth D varies inversely as power P of the motor. Right? If this is the given, 25 seconds are required for a 4 HP motor. This is the power of the motor. For a 4 horsepower motor to lift 500 pounds of weight through 40 feet. What power is required? Is required to lift 800 pounds through 120 feet, 120 feet in 40 seconds. Right. So now we are given that, there are two proportionals. T is the time, directly proportional to WD, and T is inversely proportional to the power. Means that more power is applied and in the less time the load is lifted. So join these. We have T is proportional to WD divided by P. So now we have the required, given values. T is equal to 25, and P is equal to 4 horsepower, W is equal to 500, and D is equal to 40. So just putting the values here, T is equal to K times WD divided by P, putting the values. This is 25 seconds. KW is 500 pounds. D is, D is 40 feet, okay? So D is 40 divided by P is 4. So K equals to 25 into 4 divided by 500 into 40, which is equals to 1 over 200. Right, so now we have to find the values, okay? So K, we want to find required values, okay? So required, we have to find P's values for W is equal to 800, D equals 220 feet, and time is 40 seconds. Right, so we know that T equals to KWD divided by P. So P equals to KWD divided by T. So just putting the values, we have P equals to 1 over 200. This is the value of K. So W is 800. D is 120 divided by 40 seconds. So just balancing all these, we have 0 goes 0, 3, right, 2, 4, right. So we have 4, 3, 12. So P is equal to 12 horsepower is the required answer. I hope you understand it well. And if there are some doubts, you may ask me the WhatsApp number given on the thumbnails of every video. I hope you understand it well. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and share all the videos. Thank you very much. Allah आपका हामी और नासिर हो.